Alright, we're on our way to the hospital. It's baby time. Today is November 18th in the night. So yeah, so we're
6:57 p.m.
Yeah, we're beyond ready for baby to be here. So
hello people. I'm the pilot.
yeah.
That's all I have to do on this. The pilot and the motivator. When pushing comes, right, babe?
Yep. And the moms and Cam are at home. We already miss him.
Yeah, I miss him a lot.
We already miss him.
I want him to come to the hospital.
I don't know why you thought Cam was coming to the hospital. Where would he be? Like literally.
I just want to say, like, I never imagined I would not be with Cam now. I don't even know how sad I am.
Oh my gosh. So yeah. It's okay. We'll see him tomorrow. We'll see Cam tomorrow.
I'll probably go and see him tonight and tell him good night and come back.
Okay, good luck with that. So yeah, so we are headed to the hospital. We'll be there in a couple minutes, and then we'll get underway.
All right.
Yes.
We're ready.
Yippee.
Live in the delivery room, so.
All right, so we're here already. I thought I would go to triage first. That's where the baby's gonna be. Oh my gosh, I'm not ready. Yeah, so this is our room. I wish the recovery rooms were this big.
That's
This is nice. See this bathroom, babe? Look how nice it is. Wow.
Oh, that's a nice bathroom.
Yeah, it's fancy.
Fancy. Oh, nice. Shower.
Room tour.
And it's roomy.
Yeah.
Room tour.
All right, so I'm gonna get changed so we can get started. Yeah.
Baby's coming right
I
now.
know.
Like, baby's coming.
Babe, like the baby's gonna be there.
Yeah, like it's
Oh.
before and after.
I know.
Okay, so what's the update, babe? Where are you at right now?
So I was 3 centimeters already. So I just started Pitocin.
And she started to turn up the lights because she wanted to be calm and all that good
I
stuff.
wanted to be a little dark. I got hungry, so they brought me a sandwich.
What sandwich did you get?
It's a turkey sandwich.
Turkey sandwich, okay.
And my water.
And how far along are you?
Got my birthing ball and my peanut.
Got the birthing ball and the peanut to help when labor comes, right? And then how far along are you with the dilation, babe?
Yeah, I said 3 centimeters.
3 centimeters, okay. Yep, we're here. We're gonna be having a good night hanging out. I'll be entertained. I think we'll both be entertained, so we're ready.
We'll be up all night.
We'll be up all night. About to be a night vigil.
Uh-huh.
And you don't have to hold anything back. We're here and ready. So if you feel pushy, you feel free. This baby looks fantastic. Maybe doesn't mind being squeezed off.
This one needs to push out and just get out.
Yeah. Aww. I'm telling your mom this is my little boy's birthday today too.
Oh,
It's a good day.
Wow.
Well, he's not little, he's 21. So he's probably celebrating differently than we are today. Here.
This one right here, 112 over 49.
She has
blood pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She has the best blood pressure in the world.
She's an incredible baby.
Yeah, like she has. I mean, like she has the best blood pressure in the world. I always tell her.
The bottom 49 is okay for you.
Yeah, for her, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, she's just healthy.
Like I don't know. It's like magic. I always tell her like.
My other room that has an epidural, her blood pressure doesn't look anything like this.
Like throughout the pregnancy, never like blood pressure doesn't go for one second. Like, it's always perfect. Like, no, your mind goes up sometimes, but yours never goes up. You get the pregnant one.
Just let you know, all of us have higher blood pressure than that right now.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I'm not 112. I'm not asking, I'm just trying to be 120.
Yes, right? 120 is the goal, you know, and we're good.
After I delivered my sister's child, it was my sister's grandchild, she actually in this room, she said, got in my face and said, why do you do this? How do you do, I never want to watch this happen again.
So she's coming. She's getting big, but she's coming.
Oh, good. Keep her
Okay,
seat.
yep, she's comfortable, I was just letting you know.
Okay, do you feel pushy? I'm gonna grab behind those legs. You can do this. You can do this.
Yeah.
All right, behind your legs.
Take a big deep breath in.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
you can help me. Okay. Okay.
Good to go, baby.
Bring the bear down just like you needed to.
Yeah, if you feel like you need to push, you go ahead.
Do we help him?
You know what I'm gonna do? This is gonna make a huge difference. In between, I'm gonna push that little cervix right behind the head right now. And then you won't even have to worry about it. You can bear right down. So then what we can do is you grab right behind her legs. They're gonna bring them back just to open the pelvis like this. Yeah, you show her.
When I reach behind my, do I need to pull my legs or can I
Yeah,
just pull
pull,
my legs?
try it right now. Pull back on your legs and they'll hold on to it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, so you just start
Even more. Yep, that's exactly it. Perfect.
You just let them fall back and just
Yeah.
open the door for this kiddo.
And you're gonna feel some pressure right here. You're gonna do great.
Good
Okay?
job, Mama.
You are now 10 centimeters. It's back behind the head. So now you don't have to worry about pushing.
Okay.
I don't have to worry about pushing.
You don't have to worry about, if you wanna push, you push. Cervix is behind the head. You're 10
So he can
centimeters.
just slide out on
This
his
will
own?
be a lot easier now.
Thank God.
Yeah.
I'm like tired.
Oh, I'm sure you're exhausted. All you're gonna need are really good pushes. You're gonna be fine. So do you remember when you get to the point when the head is coming right at the opening, you get that fire, it feels like fire, and it's burning. It 100% of the time will come. It will come for you. But the only way to go past it is to push through it. A lot of people get scared and they stop pushing. Be determined and be done. Push right through it and you're done. And then immediately the pain goes away. You're gonna do this beautifully. Everything that it should be happening is happening.
I feel pressure.
Right? Okay.
Let's let this contraction build,
Would you
okay?
help him?
Yeah, we're gonna let this contraction build.
That baby is so active right there.
Okay, so take a big deep breath
You got
and
it.
bear down. There you go. Good job, Mama.
Beautiful
Good
job. Yeah, beautiful job.
That's it. Take a breath when you need to.
Beautiful. I see you. Good.
You hear that? You hear that?
Beautiful job.
You hear that?
Push right down into your bottom.
Good job.
Good, good, good.
Hey, I'll take Taylor
I see,
now.
I see the hand. I see it. It's
Good job,
strong.
Mama.
You got it. Can you do another push? Okay, okay.
It's good.
You might be surprised if you lay back a little bit more, you might bring that baby right under that bone. Yeah, I think it's a good idea to call other people in here for the baby. Yeah. You pushed really well on that, and I think you'll just bring that baby under that bone.
How many more pushes do you think?
It's up to you.
I think he's pushing
I'll
on
say
its
one.
own.
It's a surprise
Trying to
baby.
come out. Yeah.
She's had clear fluid, GDS negative, just some variables, but good variability otherwise.
Yeah. Good. I am. Like, this is.
Just come out so I can just rest, please.
So I'm not gonna look to see what you're having, okay? I'm gonna show the baby to you.
Yeah, yeah.
You guys, yeah.
you
You
see.
guys
You're
can-
not gonna look?
I'm not gonna look.
Okay.
I'm
What
gonna
are you
deliver
gonna
like
do?
this.
No. You can look, but then
Don't say.
don't say that.
Not gonna
yeah,
say.
Yeah.
They should
Yeah,
really
well,
come
then
up with a
what's
girl. They have the bow
Then we'll
hat
see
already.
now.
Okay. Did they put the bow hat up there?
Yeah, the
That
bow
means it's
hat
gonna be
was
a
like
boy.
on the yeah, already.
Well, is that what
so
you
I
said?
put on a boy hat too,
You
just
said
in
he's gonna
case.
be a
I think it's gonna be a boy, but that's because it's my son's birthday.
Oh, okay, now we are understanding.
We're all guessing.
Oh yeah, we're all guessing.
I
There's
thought,
no.
I thought maybe from your experience.
No, not at all.
Yes.
I picked
Oh.
girl
because she has pink nails.
I've been calling you
Wait,
a
what
girl
color are
since
toenails though?
No.
Pink too?
Pink.
Uh oh.
Yeah.
See, that's why it's gonna be a boy.
Oh.
They have a bow hat and pink nails, so it's gonna be a boy.
Yeah, and she's been black,
Oh,
Taylor.
She's amazing.
Yeah.
It's unreal.
People are contesting now, family and friends.
Yeah, they're trying for winning. They're
What
betting.
does everyone think?
To my girls, to my boys.
Yes.
Wait, how many of each do you have at home?
I'm just one. I'm just a boy.
Just a boy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Everybody needs a wrestling buddy.
Right? Another boy.
That is true.
Bonus stop.
My son has nobody but dad. Just his dad.
Ready?
Okay. Big breath.
Pull on your thing. Yeah, just to help
Big
you.
bear down. There you go. Go, mama. Go, go, go.
Right into your bottom. There. Keep going. Keep going. Beautiful. I'm
Good
looking
job.
right at
It's
his head.
Good job, Mama. You got
Yep.
this.
Oh, baby.
I
Baby's
know.
head
Look at
is
that
dead.
hair. Beautiful.
And yes, the
Beautiful.
baby has hair.
You're so strong.
You-
So
Lots
much.
of hair.
A lot of it.
Okay, take a breath.
You
One
have a
more,
lot
one
of
more.
hair,
Big push.
princess.
Good
Good girl, good girl. That's it, that's it, that's
You
it.
have a lot of hair, Princess.
Baby's coming, baby's
Yeah.
coming.
Good job. Catch your breath. Slow down.
He's doing well. Is the baby doing well?
Yeah. Good job. Slow
Baby,
down.
it's okay. Relax
You
your
are
legs.
gorgeous.
Relax
I'm
your
sure
legs.
you are.
Relax your legs. Relax your legs.
And he's staying right down here with us. You're doing so well. I think I would have been more mad if I would have been pushed like that. You did great. He's not mad, so.
Kishi.
Oh, I know. I'm saying he. I don't mean that.
It's okay. I've been calling it a she.
Although with all this hair,
I'm just trying to figure out.
but with all this hair, I hope it's a girl because that's gorgeous
With all this
hair.
hair.
I
I
know.
saw
They
it.
look like her hair.
I
That's
saw
all
it.
I'm gonna
Gorgeous
say.
hair.
I had a lot of hair.
They look like
Boys
her
always
hair.
get the good hair. It's not fair.
Oh,
And they get the
that's
long
sad.
fit. Yeah, the best.
Eyelashes.
Yeah, my son has
We'll
no
keep
hair.
guessing.
Okay, so we're gonna get the final one because she's gonna deliver on this next one, I'll bet. At least one or two more contractions. What's the final guess for everyone?
I don't know.
But
For me,
Kamsi
anything.
has a lot of hair too.
Yeah, no, yeah. That's what we
And
thought when he
real
came out.
curly hair.
Well, he has like great hair. Like great hair.
So we can just
Yeah. I don't know. Boy or girl, don't matter to me.
Aww.
Like, I just want to help the baby.
It's just that I mean, if you consider wishes of people.
I'm gonna go with Lloyd just because I don't like
Mommy, what's your spoiled girl?
Healthy.
What's
Yeah,
your
no,
grab
no,
my
you
bag.
too.
What's yours? She's not neutral.
Beautiful job. Deep
look.
breath in.
You've got this, Mama. You can do this. You're so strong.
Any contraction.
It's kind of faking her out a little bit.
Yeah,
It's
kinda
thinking
feel
about
like
it.
it's gonna go and not.
Mhm.
I think
Yeah,
it's
the
coming for you.
contraction,
There
yeah.
you go. You got it.
You
Chin up to your chest. Bring it.
And curl
Pull your
around.
leg.
Push.
There
Pull
you
your leg.
go.
Pull your leg.
Push
Good
it right through that.
That's a girl. That's a girl.
You did amazing. More, more,
Good.
more.
Those legs. Really
Good,
pull
good,
back
good.
on those legs.
Don't be
Good.
scared of it.
Go, go,
Don't
go,
be
go,
scared of
go.
it.
Keep
Here,
going.
right here. You got it. You can do this.
Yeah,
Don't be afraid to push all
There
the
you
time.
go.
got this.
That's it. Go, 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 go,
Keep
go.
going, Mama. Keep going, Mama. You are so
That's it.
strong.
That's it. Good
You're
job.
so brave.
Putting on
You
the
can do
head.
this.
No, she's not pulling. She's
Nope.
just making room.
Making room, yeah.
One more. Big push.
Yeah, baby's there. Baby's there.
Good job,
Amazing. So we're just
Good
going
job.
to the
Touch your breath.
and then they
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you.
So when I put my hands in, sometimes her muscles try to go to squeeze my muscles will not let her, so I try to hold the muscles down to let the baby come
I
down.
promise, for your baby.
Natural reaction is to.
That's what she was in. Yeah. She got right down to that spot. I was like,
Whoa. Understandable body. Understandable.
Hey guys, this is Lauren. I'm gonna head back for Dr. Hospital and I am practice.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna push the baby out on that last one.
You
I
just
think you got to that
push
spot.
as hard as you can with the next one, okay? I'm gonna be
When you're
done,
ready,
girl.
babe, when you're ready. Yeah, when you're ready, take a deep breath. Take those deep breaths. Because remember the last time was deep breath.
And sometimes it's helpful to bring your chin up, try pushing it to your bottom, not into your face, onto your bottom. Chin up, grab behind those legs, pull back on those legs, and just push right out of your bottom.
just one more time. Then
So every time we're like, oh, the baby's coming.
Just push through as hard as you can, girl.
Are you having one now? Oh, wait till you have one. Wait till you have one.
Yeah, let it go.
She's determined. She wants this baby out. Here you go. You got it. Okay. You got it.
Got this, Mama. You've got this.
Is that a contraction coming?
Yeah,
for
this
her?
one for her now.
You're so brave and strong.
Good, Mama.
Good. Good
Push
girl.
through your leg,
That's it.
babe.
Good
Curl
girl.
on that baby.
It's coming.
Go, go,
Push
go,
through
go,
that.
go.
Push through that.
It's coming.
Push past that and you'll be done.
There you
Don't
go.
be afraid of it. Push
You'll be
past
done.
It's coming.
Go, go,
It's
go,
coming,
go,
That's
babe.
not bad. Don't be afraid of it. Push right into
You've
it.
got this,
Babe, keep
Mama.
going.
You've got this.
Push down.
Yes,
Push
go
down.
again,
The head
go
is
Go
right.
again.
ahead.
Go, go,
Hard,
go.
hard, hard. There you go. That's it. That's it. Go, 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 go.
Keep going, babe. Don't stop. Keep going. Keep going. Baby's out. Keep going. Keep
Go,
going.
go, go.
Yes.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Good
Touch your
girl.
breath. Touch your breath and one more push. Big breath and go.
You can do this.
Big
You can
breath,
do
one
this.
push. Yeah.
Yeah, one more push.
Yeah, you sure
Yeah.
can. Yeah, if you feel like
Big
it.
breath and a push.
One more push.
You aren't contracting yet, but if you want to, you sure can. You know what? know she didn't hate to put us. I'll bet you money if you put her head back. She'll deliver on the next one. Okay, on this next one though, we're gonna have the baby, okay? So on the next one, you're gonna grab, you do two things. You just grab the ball of her foot, push back, she's gonna pull back, and then grab right under the pillow, and just give her a little neck support, just when the contraction comes. Oops, I don't have this baby. I thought I was going back on nothing. Would not be the first time I've done that.
I'm surprised that we don't see that more often.
Yeah. Well, follow me around.
It's because you're an active participant
I am not
versus some others.
Oh, really? I think that's mom's heart rate. We're getting really low. Sorry, girl. Here's baby.
This baby is so laid back. I hope the baby's laid back in life. Just stays like this.
Amen.
My second part was not like that.
You're breathing the baby. Every time you breathe, the baby comes down. You're doing beautiful.
Baby,
Yeah, baby's tolerating labor beautifully.
baby's right there.
Not skipping one beat of oxygen, huh?
That's it.
Yeah.
And you're breathing the baby out, huh? Do you have to push anymore? Maybe you just needed to lay back. The baby's breathing out.
Yeah, baby's like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay, let's do this.
Let's
Okay.
have this one.
Okay,
Let's
so
have
coming.
this.
Big deep breath in.
Is it coming?
Yeah. Take a deep breath in.
Yep, curl up around that baby. Chin your chest. Chin your chest. Go,
Chin
go,
your
go.
chest.
Chin, chin, chin.
That's it. That's it. Go,
There,
go, go,
there
go,
you
go,
go.
go, go.
That's
Baby's
it.
coming,
That's
babe.
it. You've got
Baby's
this.
Do a
coming.
breath for me, poor thing. Okay.
There you
Keep
go.
going,
Good.
babe. Keep going,
You're
keep
so
going, keep going, keep going, keep going, babe. Baby's coming.
Up,
Head is showing, head is showing, keep
Breathe.
going.
Breathe.
There you go. And again.
There you
Go,
go.
mama. Go, 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 go.
Good girl. Good girl. That's
Keep
the
going,
one.
keep going,
That's the
keep
one.
going,
Take a
keep
breath.
going,
Take a
keep
breath.
going.
In.
Out. Go, go, go,
Yeah,
go.
take a breath. Take a breath.
Deep breath, deep
Yes,
breath.
take a
Let's
breath.
go. If you,
Breathe. Breathe through your nose.
Go.
if you release the baby.
It's okay. Yeah.
Breathe. Slow breath.
Baby's head is
Mama.
dead.
Good
Slow
job.
breath. It's okay.
You're so strong.
You can do this.
Nice and easy.
Baby's
I
Nice
know
and
it's so
easy.
much pressure right now.
Oh.
Do you want to feel the baby?
Yeah, it's like slightly like
Give me
they.
your hand. Give me your hand.
And then
You want
you
to?
touch the head. You want to touch the
Baby's
head?
Oh, okay.
Her belly is just so round. Oh, baby.
Oh my goodness, this child just sitting here. You have incredible control.
I keep saying he too.
I know.
And our first baby was 10 pounds, so this is even.
I think this one was
is-
measured smaller.
Yeah,
Right.
this
That's okay. She had a shoulder on the last
that
one.
one was bigger.
Good to know.
Not that one. She was a C-section for that one, right?
No.
Oh no, should have vaginal for her.
Vaginal, no epidural, nothing. It's like,
Yeah, this one was in the 43rd percentile or something. So.
yeah, this one's like a little baby.
Little compared to that one.
Little compared to that one.
Yeah, it's a little, I mean, the little baby compared to what she can handle, so.
Okay, we've got one. Let's go. Let's have a baby.
Is there a contraction?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Curl up around that baby.
Ready?
Chin your chest and go.
Is it coming?
Are you
Yep.
ready?
Take a deep.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Take
Then
it.
that's okay. That's okay. Maybe it's just a little one for you.
Yeah.
When you do have the contraction on the next one, fill your lungs with a lot of air, okay?
Yeah, the deep breath,
Because
babe.
it's already,
The head is there.
yes,
You just
it's
gotta
already
let it
out.
down.
Oh,
The head is out, babe.
He. Listen to all this. He.
Nobody's
If it
screaming
is a
baby.
girl, then we'll get to see
Sex
what
from
happens.
tissue
I know.
season.
Why is that?
Nobody screamed the baby sex until she sees it.
Don't.
and we don't make baby face.
Do you want to help with the
You
delivery?
can make an excitement face, but let
We'll
her
be
see.
excited either
Yeah,
way.
we're excited. Like our son, we didn't know what he was until like 15 seconds in.
I forgot to ask for mine too. It was a 5-minute after I went up and said, what did I have? Because it was just so weird that flesh, warm flesh came out of me. Strange. Yeah.
We're
you want to reach your hands down when the baby's shoulders come out and help deliver? Anything that you get to? Okay.
She's like, I'm gonna outsource that today.
Yeah.
She able to do all of them at the same
I mean,
time.
some people like don't really.
Yeah, some people will
like
just.
Yeah.
Like one baby's out now to like help, and at that point she
Once
runs
the
down.
baby's not out of the track, I usually hit his shoulder, maybe the pump right now, so that this would be incredibly rare.
Keep waiting to come out.
With great hard tones.
Yeah.
With a head squeeze and great
Yeah.
hard tones. This is a laid back
So
baby.
squeezed.
I hope this is a.
They feel it.
Okay,
You
feel it.
feel it?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Take a big, fill your lungs.
Take
fill
feel
your
your
lungs.
lung. Take the deep breath first.
Princess, this baby is already out. Yeah, here's the baby. Here's the baby.
Yes.
Just go ahead.
Keep going. Keep
Get
going.
it.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep
Get
going.
it.
Yes, yes, that's a
Eat it.
girl.
One more.
That's a girl.
One more.
That's
One
it.
more.
Again.
One more.
Go, go, go. That's it.
Yes.
Princess is out. Okay, Princess, keep doing it, Princess. Keep on doing it, Princess.
We got it. We got it. Keep pushing. Pushing.
Keep pushing. Baby's head, the whole head is out.
Beautiful.
Look down. Look down.
Baby's out.
Wow.
Oh, baby's a girl. The princess is here.
I didn't want to say it.
The princess is here.
The grandma's always
Your next shift nursery, right?
She had her nails ready for it.
She's so beautiful.
Chizara is here.
Good job.
Oh, yes, this one. Yes, yes.
My baby's here.
She's here.
Oh, Chizara is here.
Mommy.
Chizara is here.
Chizara.
Chizara.
Yeah, Chizara.
Oh my goodness, is that what you guys did?
Chizara.
Oh my goodness.
My baby. Oh.
She is so
You
beautiful.
have a princess.
You did, mommy. You did it.
All the hair looks like her brother. Looks like her brother.
Princess Ariana.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Is it Chizara?
Chizara Ariana. Yeah.
Ariana.
Do you want to cut the first?
Yeah.
Okay.
He looks like Kamsi.
She's beautiful.
She does look like Kamsi.
She's here.
Oh my goodness, you're so pretty.
Oh my goodness.
She really is.
No, it's okay.
She's crying.
I know. I'll get you back to your mom. We're gonna set you free so you can snuggle with her.
Oh my goodness.
I know. It's okay. I know.
Happy birthday. You have to hear what Jidenna said.
Oh my God.
What Jidenna said.
You just cut right here in between.
We're doing this. Right
Liza,
here.
are you gonna do gases?
Welcome, baby.
Call Layla.
Your second.
Oh, that was the most
Junior
gentle. That
princess
was
is
beautiful.
Hey, I'm just gonna
Your
put her head
second
and
junior
diaper on,
princess
okay?
is here. After Adanna.
It's still recording,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me see the screen.
Oh, you want to see?
There's a red box around everything,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. Hi, baby.
Hello, beautiful.
Mommy, look at my
It's
baby.
Kamsi. Oh my God, Kamsi all over again.
Hi,
Tell
Daddy.
daddy.
Daddy. It's a girl. Thank you. Her name is Chizara.
Hey, I have
Oh,
Small.
I mean, babe, she's big
We don't
though.
know what she wears for. We don't know yet what she wears.
Blanket out.
Mommy.
Yes,
Yes, hold it. Like
Hold
this.
it. Yeah, just
Okay.
make sure you can catch her.
Kacha?
Wait,
No,
play your hand,
close
bring
it,
your hand.
close the thing. Close
And
it.
then, or
Well, close up
whatever,
there.
the 9/16 or whatever you have.
Hey, baby.
Here, let me scoot her
Kacha
down
and the
just a little
baby.
bit.
Okay.
Look at her. She's trying to
Mommy, go back so
crawl
you can
up
get
you.
both of us.
Go back?
Mommy, go back so you can get all of 2 of us.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay.
What's that to come
Yeah,
It
they're
is, you
just
feel that pressure.
doing
Yeah.
the necessary
It's going to
thing.
be a lot easier than the baby.
Okay. Okay. Aren't you? Yeah. You guys are all excited. That's very
Oh
good.
my god. Babe, you did it. You know, it took you
Okay,
just
no,
like
for a
30
while,
minutes.
Chizara. Chizara.
I didn't hear.
Chizara.
Yeah,
Chizara.
Chizara.
Bele. Ariana. Princess Ariana.
Princess
Oh, I think
Ari.
they did hit the
You hear that?
Like,
Princess
yeah, thank you.
Ariana.
Okay.
Come in.
Princess Ariana.
Might go to house.
You now have 3 princesses.
Yes, so.
Okay.
Yes.
Chris,
Yes, daddy.
are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm ready. I'm ready to be a girl dad.
You ready for Princess Ariana?
That means I have to up my game.
Up your wallet.
Exactly, I have to up my wallet game.
Princess
Okay.
Ariana.
Yes.
Tear your head
it's
there.
out, it's out.
Akriso,
I know,
tear
I
your
know.
head
Oh, that
there.
felt so good.
Mommy, get back a little
Yeah,
bit
that
so
felt
you
so
can
good.
get gas.
I want to avoid.
Okay.
You're not even.
I want to
No,
avoid.
Hold, can you put the legs together so she can hold it properly?
No, it's okay, baby. It's
Picture
okay.
there. Why don't you guys? How big?
Wasn't febrile at all.
I can't measure. I can't
Yeah, no,
generally hear back.
Oh my
Come
god, you
along,
kidding me? A girl?
I know.
I'm done.
Hey, who said you are?
No, I mean I'm
Famous
done
last
together. I
words.
mean I'm done in the sense of like
You're done
it's a
for.
girl.
You're done for.
I'm ready. Like,
Sorry.
we can start matching me and her. No, it's fine, I'm on. If your daddy say congratulations.
Thank you, Daddy.
Ify.
Can you take my headphones off?
Yeah, she can hear you.
So
daddy.
you are the first to know. Nobody knows
you have a
anything.
little tear.
Ify, that
And I'm
is.
going to put some stitches and I'm going to numb you first.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Are you on your way, please?
There is another one of these if they're convenient.
Babe,
Yes.
Oh, I definitely need that.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm like,
Ngwa na ekwo na
You're
ano.
like, I'm going to go ahead.
Thank
she's
you.
my birthday mate.
On our way.
11:19.
Yes, Daddy?
Ify, I'm a vice president of a corporation. I don't just get up and leave.
I hate to waste it, but also.
Daddy was saying that he's gonna get up and leave.
Huh? Ify, did you hear me?
Yes.
I'm not just a regular worker. I'll be
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, baby.
Not in here. I'm
Yeah.
gonna go to the OR. I did a 5-minute
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Will you just
All right.
listen at 10 minutes to make sure we're
You're going to feel a stick and a burn, okay?
perfect. Just listen to make
Okay.
Alright, daddy.
Pretend it's 99.
The next person you know before
Can you
the next
FaceTime
person
Inky?
is. Yes.
Oh my gosh, my baby.
Oh, beautiful.
Ow.
Perfect.
My baby.
Congratulations, you guys. She is
Thank you.
absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Take it. Thanks, lady. Sorry, we're all tangled. Take me with you. Oh no, I lost my ear. No, it's probably my shirt.
I lost my ear.
Mommy.
Princess
Baby, it's
Ariana is here.
It's a girl.
Princess Ariana is
Chizara.
Hey, let
Mommy
me
is
see.
Chizara.
Let me see. Let me see.
Chizara.
Let her talk to
Let
Inky
me
now.
see.
Give her to talk to Inky.
I'm gonna do the reception.
Okay, she'll let me ask her. Yeah, baby.
She answered.
Yeah, so there's
Who's
no.
talking?
There's no mommy.
Huh?
My mom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Reception.
Where's Cam? Where's Kamsi?
Can you hang up and try again with Inky?
Mommy, hang up and try again. Where's Kamsi?
Let me see Cam.
Oh,
me
look
see
at Cam
Cam.
is looking. Cam.
Cam.
Is Cam looking?
Cam, look at
He
baby.
heard her voice.
Cam,
Mommy,
look at baby.
Cam. Cam.
Is he doing? Okay.
Let's show him his face now. Let's see his face. Go back. Let's see his face. Okay, it's
Okay.
plain. Okay, that's fine.
That's fine.
No, you just got here.
Kebo no.
Oh.
Kebo no. Oh, look at him, look at his face. Cam.
Cam, look at baby.
Cam.
Look at baby.
Aww. My mommy, Kamsi's twin. A girl. Yeah, baby's here, mommy. Girl, that's what I've been saying. Girl, baby girl. That's
Princess Chizara Ariana is here. Did you hear that?
Let me see.
Is the network connected, mommy? Let the network connect first. Let
Inky.
her talk to her sister.
Princess Chizara Ariana is here. It's a little girl. It's a little girl. Inky. Inky,
Yes,
her
sir.
name is Ariana. I know, Princess Ari.
Congratulations, mommy.
Inky,
Yes.
I want you to come now, please. Inky, I
Ekene
want you to come. Are you coming?
Yes, so
Yeah, we're coming. We're coming.
and the chisim dio. Our chisim dio for me, oh.
Mommy, that's your.
Chisim de.
Yeah.
No, that's your name,
Just
not
before
our
you invite a
daughter's
bunch of
name.
people,
You can't come and name our
you already
child.
have your visitors for labor and
Achim,
delivery, so they have to wait
achim,
2 hours to
Yeah.
see you on postpartum.
Okay. Yeah, there's no, they're not in town.
No, okay, I got you. I was like, I don't want to drive here and then be sad. They can't come in.
She's getting lighter.
No, but this one is lighter than Cam now.
No,
But she
no,
was
no,
lighter now
no,
than
Cam
few
was,
minutes ago.
Cam
Okay, I
was
get what you
like
mean, like,
that.
yeah.
Yeah, Cam was darker.
No,
No,
babe,
he wasn't.
come on, not as light as this.
No,
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
No, come on, not as light as
Yes.
this. Yeah, no, this is like baby's light skin. Baby's light skin. This is a light skin baby.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know about that.
Right, they might transform overnight.
I have a drink of water.
Not yet.
Yeah, Inky?
Hi, mommy.
Not yet.
I'll call you back.
Is that mine?
Yeah, that's yours. This is yours.
Dad, I've got a wristband for you. I'm going to put on you, and don't take it off until you're home with these girls.
I need to take a sip of water, please.
What you do? These stitches will dissolve on their own.
Perfect.
About 4 to 6 weeks. Oh,
Are you okay?
Yeah, I
Oh,
pulled.
because you done. Okay.
And then the last one I'm going to put in there.
I need the water.
Good job, lady.
Here, mommy. Here.
You think he's still there?
No. Oh my goodness.
Here, you get one, sissy.
Did you get me anyway?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Mommy, get in there.
Looks really good.
Okay.
And one for your
I'm just going to
ankles,
clean off your bottom area. We have 200.
Was she a first degree, second?
She has a second.
Oh, that's good. The last one was third.
Ooh, was it?
Yeah.
It probably was from the same area. It looked like there was like a,
Yeah.
it kind of went straight down there. So I'll bet it was just like a little weekend area. I know. Then may I sneak in here and listen to the baby really quick?
Mommy.
Thank you.
I can't wait to close my legs.
Oh, I know. I'm going to take you down right now. And we'll put that bed back together for you.
And then whenever you need to use the restroom, just hit your call light. Don't get up without me, okay?
Oh my god.
Baby did
This
it.
can't be real.
I'm going to throw away 2 sharps here, okay?
It is real.
It can't be real.
It is real.
Baby
It
did
is.
it.
Oh, yeah.
Our princess is here.
They were going to finish up, okay?
Our Igbo baby.
Hold on. I think they are not gone.
That is
Hold on.
that's a very light skinned baby.
She's coming to finish up.
Babe, are you just want to relax your legs?
Yeah, I just want to close my legs.
She's coming. She's coming.
Okay.
And then I did. Are you taking any medicine besides your prenatals right now?
I was taking the iron.
Okay, we'll probably keep you on that.
Okay.
Hello, baby. Yeah, like one baby. I'm not going to show you baby.
Okay. Okay, I'm just giving her IMA right now. I know, so mean.
Yeah, putting her like eye drops
Yeah, just to prevent
to
infection.
prevent infection.
Yeah. Yeah. I know, so mean. See how big your head is? I know. Yeah.
Yeah, so same hair, I'm telling you.
She has so much
She
hair.
came with that hair. She came with that hair.
Did your son have a lot of hair too?
Yes. Huh?
About 33 and a half.
Oh, yeah? Buy cake. Okay, you can buy the cake for them now. Are you not my sister there? Buy cake for them now. In my absence, yeah. Okay, yes. Okay, tell her to. Tell her to get back on. I'm ringing her again. Tell her to get back on.
I know. We're gonna see how long you are. Yeah.
Baby's here. Baby's here. We're now measuring baby to see how much baby weighs and measure her, get her height.
She's about 19 and a half.
Oh, 19 and a half.
Yeah.
They're doing the measurements now.
19 and a half inches.
Yeah.
19 and a half.
Oh, wow, she's a tall baby.
Yeah, she
She's
is.
a tall baby.
It looks like she had a void. Okay, so it'll beep when it's done.
Okay. Oh, wow. It's...
Yeah, 7:15.
Said it. You know, I tell you, babe, that she's bigger than I thought.
Do you want to get a picture of her next to
Yeah.
it?
Let me take a picture.
Smile. She's
One
like,
second.
this is so embarrassing. Oh.
Sorry, girl. Sorry.
Yes. Oh.
Sorry. Oh my god, baby, you need to see her, man. Oh my god, she's like so cute. Put her head down a little bit towards me. Yeah.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm sorry, baby.
I'm sorry, baby. I got that.
Got it?
1 second.
Okay.
Yeah. I got it. That's your weight, 7:15, baby. You're a big girl.
Yes, she is.
You're a big girl.
She's small to me.
I mean, you had the 10-pounder firstborn.
Yeah. Yeah, you start off with 10. Okay. Looks like she might be working on a little diaper there.
What?
I'm working on a stool. She had like just a little smear on here. We won't wrap you up in that one. Oh, I know.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, your reception is so bad. I don't know where you
Babe,
are.
you had a normal
I'm in the
size
mall
baby.
and the signal's really bad.
Okay,
Hey,
yeah.
babe.
7 pounds, 15 ounces.
You had a normal baby.
See, she's a little one.
Yeah,
Aw.
uh-huh. What about Alana? What was Alana?
She was 7 pounds 9 ounces.
Oh, wow. I had a normal sized baby.
Hello.
I never thought that I would
Hello.
have that.
Do you want me to
Emanuela, where have you been? You're on the flight. Where are you going to?
7
This girl.
pounds, 15 ounces.
Where are you going to this girl?
I'm so happy. Like,
Emanuela,
normal size
Emanuela,
baby.
Emanuela, Emanuela, Emanuela.
Do you want me to wrap her up for you to hold? Or,
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
like
for a
like
minute.
the
or you
body,
can, I can put her
body
skin
to body.
skin
Yeah,
with
skin
you.
to skin.
Yeah.
I want
Okay.
skin to
Yeah.
skin.
If you want to take your shirt off, I can
Yeah.
bring her over.
Baby's here. Baby's
And
here.
then I'm gonna get mom cleaned up for a minute.
Okay, let me do skin
Yeah.
to skin.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. If you want to clear that chair up, or you can sit in that chair.
All right.
I'm gonna get rid of this thing that she got a little school on.
1 second. Let me do my skin to skin.
I need my water. Babe, can you? I need my water. Can you just bring the table to me?
Wait here. I may wait now.
Oh,
My baby
7
weight.
7 pounds, 15 ounces.
7 pounds.
I had a normal
15
size
ounces?
baby.
Oh my goodness. You guys
Babe, this
help
thing is,
me all
this
around
laptop
now.
is gonna fall.
You got it? Where are you going? She's just a
Okay.
19 and a half inches.
You guys wait, let me take a picture of Thomas.
There you go. Look at those kids.
Chris is doing
Chris,
skin to skin.
Do you need to use the restroom right now?
No.
Okay. Then I'm just gonna get you cleaned up, okay?
I don't know if I'm seeing dimples.
Chizara is having from her dad now. From her dad.
Where is it?
I have dimples now. Like I have, like some of my siblings have. So
Oh my goodness.
yeah, Chizara is having her first pediatrician visit. The first one.
Okay.
It's a little hard to tell. Yeah, it's very common to have extra pigmentation in the back and the buttocks area. It's hard to tell because she still has some of that vernix on. So once she gets a bath, it'll be easier to see. But she looks great. Do you want to put her skin to skin again, or you want me to swaddle her?
It's my
Swaddle
turn
her.
now.
Okay,
to
so we'll
take-
swaddle.
Swaddle. Then let them swaddle her and then you can carry her.
Yeah. Let's just get this in a good position here.
So we are ready to go to the
All right.
room. Do they call it the game bay?
Can I get some socks?
Yeah.
Hey, what room are we ready to go to?
Recovery.
The recovery
Yeah.
room.
Well, this is the recovery room. The
And
room
the-
you're going to is the room you'll stay.
The postpartum room, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the postpartum
It'll
room.
be a more comfortable bed.
Are you ready, babe? Ready to go? Baby Chizara is right here, ready to switch up rooms. She's already changing rooms, like the princess she is. And of course, grandma is here
And
too.
then if one of you guys want to grab the door,
Daddy's
just
here.
because the door doesn't stay open in this room.
Okay.
And then the other one will push the baby. And
You got so much hair. Oh, I think she likes it.
Oh yeah. It's a spa day for you. No, baby. No. You're gonna feel all better.
Yeah, Inky and them came last night.
Yeah, it's
And
breakfast time.
And Daddy came too.
Breakfast time. Yeah. Grandma.
Mom, yeah, aga m esi ji mmiri ọkụ.
I get mad now.
Mom, God.
Yes, we'll do that when we get home. That's yeah.
Ji mmiri ọkụ. Ji mmiri ọkụ.
Gịnị kwuru na akpa ya?
Ofe nsala.
Mba, ọnwa. I nwere ofe nsala separate, yeah.
Mana unu na-esi enu ka ofe nsala.
Yes.
Ofe nsala azụ ndụ.
It's 23 hours since baby was born. Still at the hospital. She's about to have her 24-hour exam and hopefully we can leave today.
If you will try it. If you will try it. If you will not.
Getting baby ready to go home. Going home outfit, yeah, if he doesn't joke about this. beautiful princess. Babe, are you ready to go home? You take your princess home? Now I have 2 princesses.
I know.
There they are.
And it would be good.
Now my kingship has come full cycle.
Yes.
I have a prince, I have a princess. So I'm now a full king. Full. Not half.
Yes, until she grows and knows how to. Both of us already.
Almost ready to go home.
Oh, if I get weapons, if I get weapon security, I'm
Yeah, they will.
To go home.
Once you cross the door, the thing will settle.
Zara is ready to go home. Zara, baby.
She's gonna go where come on. Very tall.
Long legs and her toes. Long fingers, long toes.
Oh my goodness.
And you're gonna be taller than your parents.
We're going to get asking my grandfather from my dad's side. What I do with it? I'm around okay na background now. Yeah, or where wife or if I get you there, if I so
All right, baby's all packed up. You ready to go? Ready to go home? Ready to go home, Princess Sarah? Yeah.
You're about to go.
Let go of this thing.
You ready, babe? Ready to go home?
you know come on. That me or you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Well, one day, baby, on a car seat.
Babe, you need to bring your wheelchair, right? You have to be on a wheelchair, remember?
I don't know where we're supposed to go.
He's going home. Princess Zara is going home. So we go home. She's ready. And baby's also ready. We're all ready to go home. Both babies. This big baby is ready. Right here, this one. And this one too is ready.
Going down? Going down. Okay.
And of course, daddy's ready to take his princesses home and do his job.
Anything. It's okay, right?
So,
Going down?
get down.
I know.
Glad I got on the elevator.
Can I hold it?
Anything.
No, she just wants to be looking at her baby. Look at what she pushed.
You guys go ahead.
Mother and daughter going home. Which way?
That way. She gonna beat you up one day.
Right. We're going home. Time to go home. That's my crew.
We're on our way home. Can't wait to eat and take a shower. With my princess. And Cam is gonna get to meet baby. Oh my gosh. Can't believe it.
It's light.
Watch out. Woo! Cammy! We're back! Come and see baby.
Baby.
See baby?
See baby.
Baby? Say baby?
Baby. See baby.
Say hi.
Baby's home.
Can you get me that pack of wipes there? And
Bassinet is ready. A pack of wipes.
there, that one, so I can, I know, want to start
Plug
warming
it up.
down.
Warming it up.
Yeah,
It's down here, right?
yeah, at the bottom. Might need to bring up a couple packs.
Okay, I'll bring more into the house.
If you could put that together,
Yeah, put it in.
I probably need to change your diaper.
Hey, big girls.
There's my princess.
Hey, big girls. Ready to eat?
I know she's hungry. Hi, baby. Yeah.
All the way, like tray.
Yeah, from the side.
Yeah. I don't think that it looks.
It should be a little bit.
What is this?
Sorry about it.
Oh, wow.
Waiting for my first sleep.
What do you want, babe?
I need that Boppy pillow. If you
Which
can
one is
find
that?
it.
That one you talked about?
Yeah, if you can find it. Because we'll need to.
Which one was it?
It's like this. It's like a pillow like this,
How big is it?
but it's a smaller version. And I just put it like around me so I can feed her. And it might be in its own pack.
Oh, like you leave it for so long? Is that what you
Yeah,
mean?
it might be in its original container
okay.
somewhere. Yeah. Probably the basement, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, ready to eat? I'm ready to feed you.
Turn. Yeah.
Oh,
Turn.
like
No.
this?
No, turn like this. Turn all the way. All the way. So that way when she goes in, baby's face is not being covered. I'm ready. Mommy can. Okay. Just stay like that first. Look at me. And smile. Mommy, both of you look at me. Yeah. Mommy, don't. Your face is not. You're blocking your face out.
We're taking pictures.
Yeah. So yeah, hair like that. The hair. Both of you just look behind like that.
My face is terrible. Oh my god. My face is so swollen. And my hair's a mess. We're taking pictures with the grandmas. Hey guys. So it is almost 24 hours since we've been home from the hospital. But yeah, we had a good first night. It was so smooth and good. Like it was perfect. Couldn't have asked for another better night. Chizara was really good. She just slept and then ate, slept and ate, slept and ate. And I was able to like sleep in between as well, so it was good. My face is still so swollen, like, oh my gosh, I can't believe, like, anytime I'm pregnant, I look like this, like, it's, ooh, a different person. My nose and my lips are, like, so, like, oh my. My hands kind of feel, like, big as well. Anyways, we had a good first night, and today's been just uneventful, which is good. Nice quiet day. She just slept and ate all day, and I just hung out with like my mommy, my mother-in-law. Cam was at school today, so yeah, it's going very well so far, so good. Yeah. She's sleeping now. I'll show you guys her. I am just watching her sleep. She's so cute. Yeah. So far, she's a good baby. She's gonna be wanting food like soon here. Yeah. Oh. I have to do that. Trying to get back into a group of things. So, trying to think like how many days do I want to give myself before I like check my emails, like business stuff. So yeah, anyways, I think I'm gonna do my labor and delivery story before this video. So yeah, definitely. So make sure you guys watch that if you haven't seen it already. Yeah, it's been good. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll make like a separate video for like questions and stuff like that. About anything, I guess. Yeah, I'll just say anything. Nice Q&A. Haven't done a Q&A in a while. Yeah. Yeah, so it's just me and Chizara at home here. Chris went to a pickup camp from school, and then the moms, they went grocery shopping because they're gonna start cooking some things tonight. I requested pepper soup from mommy, and then she's also gonna make a bunch of other stuff, but I specifically wanted pepper soup, so I cannot wait to eat that. So yeah, I need to like also put on my belly binder. I haven't put that on yet, but I need to do that, start doing that today. I was gonna have my mom press on my stomach before I put that on, so I can start getting my stomach back to normal. But I had a glorious shower with my shower steamer. Today I did the eucalyptus shower steamer with my shower today. Took my time and it was really good. So yeah. Anyways, recovery. Recovery. I had energy today and my pain level was pretty good today. I took ibuprofen, so I'll probably take ibuprofen again probably around 6. I think I took it at noon. Yeah, and then my iron. Oh yeah, I gotta keep taking my prenatals too. I don't want to forget that. I have to get those downstairs. So yeah. Anyways, I am going to watch some YouTube while Chizara sleeps. And then she'll probably wake up to eat in like 20-30 minutes, I bet. I love these canteens from Amazon. They're so good. I had a pink one, but my mom took it. She liked it, so she took it. So I bought a new one for this pregnancy. So I love them. They're like so good. They keep your water cold for like days. The ice in here, and then they come in cute. There's like multitudes of colors, like so many colors, and they're good price too. And they hold a lot of water. I forget how many ounces this is, like 50 or something. Yeah, 50 ounces. It's so good. Okay, anyways, let me relax before it's time to feed. So we're on our way to baby's first doctor's appointment. He's so cute. So we're back from the doctor's office, and I wanted to put on my what waist belly binder. I haven't put it on yet since I gave birth, and I'm supposed to. All the snow melted. Okay. So I need to start binding my stomach. How am I supposed to press on my stomach? And she keeps forgetting. Oh, I gotta take my pain medications too. Okay, so let me show you my wet waist belly binder. Good morning. It is the day before Thanksgiving, and I wanted to do laundry today. Like all of Zara's new clothes that were gifts or we bought her. I wanted to wash them because I've been recycling all the newborn neutral clothes from Cam. That was like 4 outfits. I've been cycling those for the past week because like we didn't buy anything for her new, so we did the other day. So now I need to wash them so that she has outfits. So fun. It was so fun buying girl clothes. Like, oh my gosh, it was the funnest thing ever. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So now we have girl clothes in the mix. Like, are so cute. Like, these are the cutest things ever. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna wash, well actually I'm gonna wash everything, but the newborn size is what she's gonna wear now. But like, they are the cutest thing. Look at this blue one. Like, oh my gosh, so cute. We bought a bunch of stuff. We were going ham. Like, look at this. Like, I love little girls in blue. So cute. We got this little butterfly one too. Like, so cute. So yeah. Now we're gonna have good clothes. And Carter's had an amazing sale the other day. Like, oh my goodness. Like, first off, this pack of like pants was $3. All the zip up, like these zip up onesies I've been showing, they were $8 each. All of them were $8 each. Like, they had an amazing sale the other day, and they had clearance stuff. So this is like summer clothes. So we got like her size she should be like in the summertime. They were like $2.99 a piece. So we got a couple summer things. This is the other summer one that we got. Got these little shorts, and then a little crop top, and then got this little sweater thing. Probably wear this around Christmas time. Thanksgiving Day outfit that she'll wear tomorrow. Yay. And then another pack of pants to match with the pack of onesies. And they also had like a special spend $75, get a free pack of changing pad covers. So we got a pack of that. There's 2 in here. So yeah, so I'm just gonna dehanger these and then put them in the wash. So far it's been yesterday Zara turned 1 week old, and so far it's been really good. this time around with like breastfeeding is totally different than with Cam. Cam never latched really, so I didn't really have like a positive breastfeeding experience with Cam. So I pumped just so that I can at least get him some breast milk in his system, and then I just kind of bared through it to say that let me at least, you know, breastfeed him or try. Well, so what I did was like I breastfed a little bit and then I would supplement with formula. That's what I did, just so that he can get at least something. So when I say breastfed and then did formula, like it was like attempting to breastfeed for a few minutes and then finish off with formula. So I said, okay, I'm gonna stick with that for 3 months and then I'm done. So I did that for 3 months with Cam, and then I could not wait to be done with all of that. It was just like too much. It was just, no, not it. So this time around, definitely a different experience because Zara latched right away, which was good. And she's been doing really good in eating, and my supply has been good too. Because also it was just like, when Cam was little, I was like, is it me or is it Cam? You know, is it my supply that's not working, or is it Cam, or is it both of us? So this time around, Zara was latching, but I was like, hopefully my supply is good. Like, you know, because I wasn't sure, like, is it my fault or was it Cam not being able to latch? So, like, since the hospital, I've been like so paranoid, like, oh my gosh, like, am I even producing anything? Like, is anything really happening? Is my supply even good? So when it was time to leave the hospital, because you know they have to be a certain weight to be able to be cleared to leave the hospital. So I was like nervous, like, you know, but she was good, and I was like, oh, okay, that means that I'm producing something. I was paranoid about that. And then when she went for her first doctor visit, you know, they want them to be a certain weight as well. So I was nervous about that. But when she was at a good weight, they were like, yep, she's good. And I was like, oh, okay. That means I'm really like producing milk and she's eating it and it's working for us, you know. So it's definitely a different experience for me this time around, which is good. Positive experience. And yeah, I'm liking it, even though it's painful. It's painful, and you know, like as I said, like I never had this experience, so I never got to really like live the exclusively breastfeeding like lifestyle. So it's definitely not easy. It's actually hard, and I can understand how some women go through it and say and like decide not to breastfeed again, like after they have another child, for their mental. Like I feel like I get it, because having experienced both, like breastfeeding exclusively and then not, I can see how, you know, breastfeeding exclusively is a lot of work. Like it's a lot of work. And also like for me, well, the one thing I don't like is I don't like pumping. I just feel like pumping always made me felt like I was trapped in a cycle that I can never get out of. Like when I was with Cam, because I pumped right away since he didn't latch, so that I can have at least some supply coming in. So yeah, I just felt like, because it felt like, okay, baby's awake, you breastfeed. This is what I was doing, breastfeed for a few minutes to get at least something, then supplement with formula, you know, then they eat, then they fall asleep, take a nap, then I need to pump, you know, in between. By the time I finished pumping, and mind you, what I was pumping wasn't even anything, literally. Now when I think about it, I felt like it was just like a waste of time, because I was barely pumping anything, literally. Just so traumatic for me. So it's like by the time you're done pumping, and then you pumped all that time and you didn't get anything, then it's time for baby to wake up for like the next feed. Like, and then the cycle continues and you never like get out of it. Like that was just too much for me. It was too much for me. I was just like, I can't do this. So yeah, but this time around, I said I'm not even gonna think about pumping or even attempt to get a breast pump until, you know, at least Zara's a month and we've gotten the hang of things. And then I can figure out like what pump I want to use this time around. Definitely I'm using the hands-free pump. Because as I said, like I just felt like I didn't like the experience of pumping. I didn't like it. It just made me feel trapped. You know, like I can't get anything done. I just have to sit here and pump. Like I didn't like that. So I definitely want to do the hands-free pump. And there's a lot of them out now since, like, it's crazy. It's been like 5 years since, you know, I had Cam, and so much has changed, and there's so many like hands-free pumps now. There was just like maybe there wasn't even any when I had Cam, and then as soon as like I finished breastfeeding Cam, and he was like almost 1. And like I remember the Willow pump came out, and I was like, oh, this is what I needed. So yeah. Okay, so almost done taking all of these out. But yeah, but it's been good. It's not easy, but it's been good. It's been positive experience, so I'm happy. And then the nights haven't been too bad. I've only had like one, I would say, like bad night where we only slept 30 minutes at a time. 30-minute stints of sleep. And I was like, when I woke up, I was like, yo, I need to like sleep. Because I'm not, my eyeballs were hurting. I couldn't function. So I remember I told Chris, like, I didn't sleep at all. So can you take her so that I can just have a good quick nap? So I took a good nap. I remember, like, because I had him come up here and like just, you can put the TV on, you can watch a movie, just hold her. I just want to take like a nice hour and a half nap, and I did. Then I woke up and I was like, okay, I'm myself again. So I was able to shower and then start the day, and I got my energy. But so far we've only had a night, like one night like that. Other than that, the nights have been, you know, typical newborn nights. Nothing so bad. So I will take it. But yeah, but anyways, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I'm so excited to go to my parents' house. You know, mommy was here from like almost a week before Zara was born. And then mommy left on Monday because she was like, well, if you guys are coming Thanksgiving, then I need to leave so that I can start cooking. And I was like, yeah, that's true, but I didn't want her to leave. But yeah, but she left on Monday, so we will see everybody tomorrow because Inky and her kids are coming tomorrow. And then Lawrence always works Thanksgiving, so he can have Christmas off. So it'll just be Inky and the kids. And then Junior should be here today, like here as in like at my parents' house today, because he said he was going to Canton. He was going to their place today. Today's Wednesday. And then Inky and them, they'll be there tomorrow. They'll head there tomorrow. Us, we'll leave here tomorrow morning because Chris works today. So we'll head to my parents' house tomorrow morning. And then we'll stay the weekend. So I actually need to pack. Ugh, oh my God. It's happening. Just realized, like, not only pack for Cam and myself, but then a pack for a baby. It's happening. When you have multiple kids and you have to pack. That already gives me anxiety. Because you have to be just like steps ahead with all of that stuff. You know, juggling multiple kids, and then you have one that can't help themselves, and then like a 5-year-old that's semi-independent, but you still gotta help them with certain things. So I never thought I would have a 5-year gap between the two, but when I think about it now, I actually like it because, you know, it's not like you're taking care of 2 babies at the same time. So I don't know how people do that, like back to back to back, you know. It sounds like a lot. But yeah, I'm kind of glad that the way things worked out, I have a 5-year gap. So I have one that's in grade school already, you know, so it's not like I'll have 2 of them in like daycare or something, you know. So I kind of like it. It's not bad. I always say there's pluses and minuses I don't know, would there be a minus? But I always say, like, I make my last video, my last life update video, I mentioned about the age gap thing, and I said I don't think there's a perfect age gap. I feel like there's positives for like a small gap or a big gap, so we'll take it all. My lower back is still so bad. So bad. I feel like the thing that suffers the most when my pregnancies is my lower back. It goes through it so bad. It's painful. All right, this is one of the dresses that we got her. It's so cute. Got this for Christmas. What type of washable is it though? It says wash before use. And it's red. I might have to wash this by itself. So I don't want it to stain anything, so I'm just gonna leave it on the hanger. Oh, let me go through the gifts. Lawrence's parents came, and his sisters came too the other day, so they gave us a bunch of clothes for baby. So I'm excited about these. They're so cute. Like, oh my gosh, the girly things are here. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna finish up taking these apart, and then I'm gonna throw these in the wash. I gotta show you guys my new soap that I've gotten for baby stuff. Inky kind of got me onto it because she's been experimenting and trying to find like a really good, safe, clean, non-toxic soap for the kids and stuff. So she found one and told me to try it. So I've been using it and it's been pretty good.
Let me talk about you enough. You claiming I never talk about you enough. Girl, I see in my day